Hey everyone, if you think you have seen every type of sitcom character, then you probably have not met Sheldon Cooper. In today's video, we are looking back at some of his funniest, most awkward, and completely unforgettable moments. The Big Bang Theory, from taking sitcom literally to treating a roommate agreement like it's the US Constitution. Sheldon somehow turns ordinary situation into comedy gold. Let's jump in. The first scene starts with Penny having one of the worst days imaginable. She comes home frustrated after a failed audition, and in her execution accidentally try to unlock her apartment with her car key instead of helping like a normal person. Sheldon calmly point out that she's using the wrong key and even explain the technical difference between the lock and the car keys. It's the perfect example of how Sheldon always chooses fact over empathy. As Fanny continues venting about her failed acting career, her lack of success, and even the unfortunate moments when she accidentally swallows a fly, Sheldon responds by explaining that insects are actually a good source of proteins. It's completely the wrong thing to say, which somehow makes it even funnier. Another classic moment comes when Sheldon definitely needs to use the bathroom, but Leonard is already inside with his girlfriend. Rather than respecting their privacy, Sheldon quotes the roommate agreement, claiming the bathroom privacy is suspended during an emergency. In Sheldon world, a full bladder is not just unforgettable, it's a legal emergency. Then their mostest battle. Leonard wants to raise the apartment temperature by just 2 degrees, but Sheldon refuses to. Him rules are rule. We even argue that 2 degrees can be the difference between water and steam. Leonard eventually snaps, but Sheldon reminds him that according to the roommate agreement, changing their most without permission perfectly a crime. Speaking of the roommate agreement, it becomes one of the funniest running jokes in the entire series. Sheldon treats it like a scared legal document, quotes section and suspension for every possible situation. When Leonard finally gets fed up and tears in apart, Sheldon reacts as if someone has just destroyed a national treasure. One of the Sheldon most infamous habits in running surprised when Leonard mentioned that he finally reading the Harry Potter books. Sheldon immediately blurts out that the blood dies. Then just to make things worse, he later spoil another major death from the his obsession with logic also appear when a gang is trying to decide where to watch a movie while everyone else is focused on the best theater or the best food. Sheldon refused to compromise because one theater does not have ICs and ACs, another services Twizzle. Instead of red wines, he turns a simple movie night into a full-scale engineer project involving maps, schedule, and snacks. Logistic money is another area. When Sheldon creates chaos and Raj realizes he is spending far beyond his means. He makes the questionable decide to let Sheldon manage his finance. Sheldon immediately start cutting every expense he consider unnecessary, include Raj comic con ticket to Sheldon. Budgeting is not about balance, it's about elimination every ounce of fun. Then he meet Roma, a graduate student who is completely fascinated by Sheldon's brilliance, while everyone else instantly realizes she flirting with him. Sheldon remains completely obvious. He genuinely believes she is simply offering him free food because she appreciates good science. His total inability to recognize romantic interest becomes one of the funniest part of the episode. Another memorable storyline focuses on Bernarde being invited to appear in a imagination feature. Attractive female scientist Amy believed the article undermined women in science and secretly convinced the magazine to cancel it. What started a debate about professionalism quickly turned into an emotional argument between two close friends, showing that even the smartest character can let personal feeling get in the way. Of course, no Sheldon compilation would be complete without mentioning his extreme fear of germs, whether she is carrying emergency public storm kit filled with sanitizer, gloves, shoes cover in one the infect never worrying that cell. His strict routine are just a ridiculous. Every meal has a schedule, every restaurant has stands, every movie theater but must meet his exactly requirement. Even the placement of menu item can send him into a philosophical crisis when General Toss chicken gets moved a different section of a menu. Sheldon wondered if the chef has lost confidence in the dish itself. Then their paintball, what should be a fun day with friends, quickly turns into a military operation. Sheldon develops elaborate battle strategy, gives tactical commando, and blames Howard for missing a strategy meeting because he had to take his mother to a medical appointment. Somehow, a friendly game becomes a full-scale war. Every magic tricks are not safe from Sheldon criticism. When Howard practices a children magic so Sheldon instead the magic is basically trying to kill an argument, believing rabbits are come in the apartment. Thought out all these moments, what makes Sheldon too entertaining is not just his intelligence, it's the fact that he applies scientific logic to everyday life while completely missing basic human emotion and social crisis, whether in arguing about room temperature, running book ending, organized bathroom emergency, or reporting emergency. That's exactly why Sheldon Cooper remains one of television's most iconic sitcom characters. His brilliant mind, completely lack of social awareness, and absolutely confidence create endless comedy. And so, which Sheldon moment is just favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn to on notifications so never miss our next video. Thank you, and share his friend. Thank you.